Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to start a new video call on the WhatsApp app using your PC. With the latest updates, making video calls has never been easier. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the WhatsApp app installed on your computer. If you haven't done so yet, visit the WhatsApp website to download and install the latest version for your operating system. Once installed, open the app and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Now that you're logged in, it's time to initiate a video call. Look at the left side menu of the app. You'll notice a phone icon. Click on this icon to access your calling options. Next, you need to find the contact you want to call. At the top of the screen, there's a search bar. Enter the name of the contact you wish to connect with. This feature makes it quick and easy to locate anyone in your contact list without scrolling through all your chats. Once you've found your contact, click on their name to enter the chat window. Here, you'll see all your previous conversations with them, which can be a great way to catch up before starting a call. To start the video call, look for the camera icon located at the top right corner of the chat window. Click on this icon, and your video call will begin. Wait a moment for your contact to accept the call, and once they do, you'll be able to see and talk to each other in real time. With these simple steps, you can easily make video calls on WhatsApp from your PC. This feature not only enhances communication, but also allows for a more personal touch when connecting with friends and family. So there you have it. Enjoy making video calls with ease on WhatsApp using your PC. Stay connected and make those important conversations happen.